Mga kaibigan, makinig po tayo sa mga balita upang malaman natin kung ano ating gagawin. Ihanda ang mga pagkain, preserve mga pagkain tulad ng canned good, mga noodles at iba pa, biscuits, bread at yung mga phones. Dapat naka-charge para in case of emergency may magamit. You can call anytime. At yung mga gamot, medisina para sa magkasipon, lagnat, sakit sa tiyan, ay dapat nakahanda rin. At yung mga dokumento, importanteng dokumento ay itago, itago sa safety na lugar na hindi mababasa. At ang mga kabataan ay bantayan. Huwag pabayaan, baka sila ay magpaulan o malakas po ang hangin at baka mapunta doon sa ilog. Mga kaibigan, be safe. Manood po tayo ng balita.
For today, we're expecting heavy to intense rains over Cagayan, Isabela, Quirino, Apayao, Kalinga, Mountain Province, Ifugao, Ilocos Norte, and Aurora.
Signal number 1
doon
sa
the rest of
ibang lugar.
Administrative Region, the rest of Cagayan Valley, the rest of Ilocos Region, Nueva Ecija, Bulacan, Quezon, and Rizal. And also, we're expecting Henel to
Kumusta
exit the
kayo
last
dyan?
month of the Philippine within the day.
Ingat,
and
ingat
the
po.
Philippine area of responsibility on Wednesday. For the update on the tropical cyclone
Magdasal
outside
tayo
the Philippine area of
palagi.
responsibility, it is expected to enter the Philippine area of responsibility tonight and might stay inside the Philippine area of responsibility until tomorrow noon. And that's the latest from Pag-asa Weather Forecasting Center. Veronica C. Torres reporting.
Cyclones Ferdy and Henel. The government's disaster management office says the casualties were listed in Mindanao. 11 sustained injuries while another 2 remain missing. The recent heavy rains and floods have so far affected over 86,000 families. Ferdy exited the Philippine area of responsibility last Saturday, while Henel is now a tropical depression. Another tropical storm with international name, Pulasan, is also forecast to enter the country later tonight.